Product for real YS.
Products! For real! Why is everything a baby I don't have a baby! What is this, bro? Why is there so many baby products? Ungrateful. I don't have a baby! I'm not ungrateful. I don't have a kid. I don't have a kid. What? Oh my god. No, you didn't.
I got this!
Candle warmers, bro. I love candles. Oh my god. Windex gaming wipes? Wait. This guy gets me. Streak free shine. Do not flush. Yo, there's gaming wipes? I didn't know these existed. Bro, I didn't even know these existed, chat. What? Bro, there is gaming wipes? Oh my god.
I got
Wait,
this!
Is this a candle?